In this video, I'm going to go over college majors, diplomas, and college status. Starting out, the sign for college. We've done this one, so college or university. The next one, goal. So here's what you're trying to get to. So, and then you point at it. Goal, or I've also seen goal. Then we have become. In ASL, we don't use the word be. So if you were asking, what do you want to be when you grow up? You would switch be with become. So the sign for become, hands together, they rotate. And the way you would ask that, future, you grow up, you want become what? So become. Then we have study. We've had this one. Major and minor. Dominant hand. This is major. And then minor. So major, minor. Specialist. Both hands are ones. Dominant hand slides specialist. Acting, drama, or theater, A hands, and you go back, so like this. Then we have ASL or deaf studies. You could do ASL studies or deaf studies. Audiology, an A. Business, two ways to assign business. One is with flat non-dominant hand, and dominant is a B, business, or change it to a fist, business. Counseling, I've seen it with a fist or an open hand, counseling or counsel. Economics, so this is the sign for money with a flat O, change it to an E, economics. Education, so we've had teach, you're going to change the hand shape E, D, education. Law, you've seen. Medical, we've seen that one. Nursing, same thing, we've seen that. Psychology, non-dominant hand is palm out. Dominant, this is psychology. Sign language interpreter, what you could do is just sign interpreter. Both hands are F hands, dominant hand moves. This is interpret. Social work, S, W. SW for social work. Speech pathology, sign for speech, and then help for like a speech teacher, or you could do teacher, but speech pathology, speech, help. Moving on to degrees and diplomas, F hands, and you're showing like the degree or diploma rolled up. You might see it with F hands or with O's. I do it with F's. And then the different types of diplomas, high school diploma, GED, you would just do GED. And then there's different types of associates, bachelor's, master's, things like that. But we just generalize it. So an associate's, you would do A. Bachelor's, B, A. Master's is a little different. Typically you'll see an M palm in to A, master's. There are other signs for masters, like masters in education. I think they do this and then specialty education. PhD or any doctorate, PhD. So PhD. Then college status. Drop as in dropping a course. So to take up a course or take a course or class would be this. This would be dropping a course or a class. So you're taking ASL or you dropped it. Drop out, there's two different signs. There's drop out, and then the other one is so you go up and over. Drop out. Full time, so being a full time student. Full time. Part time. Part time. So full time. Part time. Graduate. Graduated. Graduation. We've seen this one, so just reviewing that. This is one of the ways, and then this is the other. If you add finish after either of those, so if you do this and then finish, or this and then finish, it means graduated. Transfer, we've seen that one. And then withdraw from school, W